Before we begin, this video is general health education, not personal medical advice. Picture your gut as a thriving city home to trillions of tiny bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This is your gut microbiome, a dynamic ecosystem that changes with you. While it's best known for breaking down food, its influence stretches far beyond digestion. It shapes your immune system and even impacts your mood. How does this happen? Let's explore. When you eat, enzymes in your saliva and stomach begin breaking down food. However, it's the trillions of bacteria in your intestines that finish the job by fermenting fibers you can't digest on your own. This process produces short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which nourish your gut lining and support cell health. The microbiome also aids in absorbing nutrients like vitamins B and K. Studies show it influences metabolism by affecting fat storage and sugar processing. An imbalance can disrupt digestion, leading to issues like bloating or nutrient deficiencies. Your gut microbiome acts like a smart security system. Friendly microbes train your immune cells to recognize harmful invaders while ignoring beneficial ones. This balance is crucial. Too many or too few can trigger overreactions, like allergies, or leave you vulnerable. A fiber-rich diet supports this balance, keeping your immunity strong and responsive. Your gut microbiome doesn't just aid digestion and immunity, it may also influence your mood. Emerging research suggests that balanced gut bacteria produce chemicals that interact with the brain, potentially affecting emotions like stress or anxiety. However, this area of study is still developing, and an imbalanced microbiome could contribute to mood changes. While a fiber-rich diet may support gut health, it shouldn't replace professional advice for mental well-being. Your gut microbiome is shaped by daily choices. Eating whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains feeds good bacteria, while processed foods or too much sugar can disrupt balance. Antibiotics can temporarily reduce beneficial microbes, so always discuss medications with your doctor. Small tweaks like choosing probiotic-rich yogurt or prebiotic fiber from bananas and managing stress with deep breathing help maintain a balanced microbiome. Your gut microbiome isn't just about digestion, it also affects your mood and immune system. Small science-backed habits can support it. Eating fiber-rich foods like vegetables or whole grains, managing stress through mindfulness, and discussing any medicines with your doctor. These steps don't promise quick fixes but help maintain balance over time. Let's debunk myths about gut health. Probiotics aren't a quick fix. They work best when paired with fiber, like oats or greens, and stress management. But antibiotics or chronic stress can disrupt your gut bacteria, making recovery harder if you're not already healthy. Always check with your doctor before taking any medicine, even over-the-counter options. Small, consistent habits matter more than quick fixes. If you notice persistent digestive issues like frequent bloating, changes in bowel habits, or unexplained pain, it's important to consult a healthcare provider. Similarly, if your mood shifts significantly, like feeling unusually sad, anxious, or irritable without clear cause, or if your immunity seems weakened, e.g., frequent infections, these could signal underlying concerns. Your doctor can help rule out conditions like IBS, food intolerances, or immune disorders. While lifestyle changes support gut health, some symptoms require professional evaluation. Always share details about any medicines, supplements, or stress levels to ensure personalized guidance. Medicines like antibiotics or over-the-counter drugs can influence your gut microbiome, sometimes in ways we're still learning about. For example, antibiotics can disrupt harmful and helpful bacteria, which is why they're prescribed carefully to treat infections like strep throat or urinary tract infections. Meanwhile, some over-the-counter medicines like antacids or antihistamines are designed to relieve symptoms without targeting the microbiome directly. But even these can have effects if taken long-term or in high doses. That's why professional oversight matters. Healthcare providers help weigh risks and benefits, ensuring medicines work for your health, not against it. Always discuss any medication's prescription or not with a doctor or pharmacist to align them with your gut health goals. Your gut microbiome isn't just shaped by what you eat. It's also influenced by your environment. For example, exposure to animals can introduce new bacteria or pathogens that affect your gut health. Zoonoses, diseases humans catch from animals, highlight this risk. Farm animals, And even wild ones like deer or mice can carry germs, viruses, or parasites through direct contact or contaminated surfaces. Washing hands thoroughly after touching animals or their environments is a key way to minimize these risks, while still allowing beneficial microbial exposure. Your gut microbiome is unique like a fingerprint, and that's why its effects on digestion, immunity, and mood can vary wildly from person to person. Some people might experience bloating or immune reactions after eating certain foods, while others feel fine. This isn't random. It's tied to your microbiome's makeup, influenced by factors like diet, environment, and even medications you take. That's why a personalized approach like discussing your symptoms with a healthcare provider is key. They can help you understand how your gut health fits into your overall well-being without making assumptions. Always bring your questions, concerns, or lists of what you're taking to your appointments, so you leave feeling informed and empowered. Gut science is evolving rapidly, but it's not about quick fixes. It's about understanding how your microbiome influences digestion, immunity, and mood over time. Researchers are studying how diet, environment, and even medications shape your gut bacteria, but results vary by person. That's why a personalized approach like discussing symptoms with a healthcare provider is crucial. They can help you explore how your gut health fits into your overall well-being without making assumptions. Always bring questions or concerns to appointments so you leave informed. Your gut microbiome is a complex system that influences digestion, immunity, and even mood. But it's unique to you. Factors like diet, environment, and medications can shape your gut bacteria over time. That's why a personalized approach with a healthcare provider is key. Bring lists of your symptoms, allergies, and what you're taking so they can help you understand how your gut health fits into your overall well-being without assumptions. Gut science is evolving, but it's not about quick fixes. It's about understanding how your microbiome works for you. This video explains how your gut microbiome affects digestion, immunity, and mood, but it's not medical advice. Always consult a doctor about symptoms, allergies, or medications you're taking. They'll help you understand how gut health fits into your care. Medicines are tested for safety by agencies like the FDA, but risks vary by person. This content is educational. Never replace professional guidance with what you read online. Remember, this is general health education, not personal medical advice. For individuals,